Cool, so we're here with Sam Warren, and today we are gonna go spearfishing at that island right over there, which is pretty far away. So yeah, and that's where the land is. We came from right behind us, paddling, and yeah, we'll let you know how it goes. Yeah, I just paddled here, I'm just filming. Oh, there's the land. Sick, so we just made it onto the island. Still here with Sam. Sam still made it. And we are gonna go diving right behind this rock over here. And then let's see how it goes. Up through here? Wait. Go away, you go. So no fish today. Ah! Okay, cool. Now we are looking for shark teeth, and yeah, so we're hunting for them. Yeah, no, wasn't good at all, but we're gonna try explore the island before the sun goes down, and then there's also a wave over there that we're gonna catch with the kayak. Is that right, Sam? No. Yeah, so basically seals, you know, they just like come and then they just like, they're all over this place. So Yeah, sometimes you're just bumping them.
Beautiful colors.
Yeah, unexpectedly. Like, check it out, they're all over there. This is where I used to find all my prized shark teeth. Is that one? Oh no, it's not. But yeah, that's how it is over here. Alright, cool. So today I'm here with Sammy the seal and we are having an interview. Okay. So, Sammy, what do you think about our current situation with the plastic in the ocean, eh? Yeah, you don't like it? Yeah. And what do you think we can do to prevent? Hey, Sammy, yeah, please concentrate. Okay, good night. See you tomorrow. Speak to you tomorrow. Bye. Cheers, eh? Alright, cool, and now we are heading home. It's been a fun time, a long time, and a great time. And Sam is on the grind.